Today we explain what is the series connection. Here, one reel is 5 meters. So totally we have 3 reels. That is 15 meters. We connect it like this one. The power is from here, and from the first reel to the second one and to the third one. Now let me light it for your reference. We light it. You will see here is the 3 strips, all light. Now we see the first strip, the first line, the first strip is this one, the first meter. And now here is the end strip. You will see here, you will see it clear. This one will be brighter, and this one is not so brighter. So we say, this is what we say, the voltage drop.